Hey student orgs, and welcome back to campus. This summer we've been hard at work trying to make sure that we get everything for the student org funding process as efficient as possible. This year, instead of having to attend that bulky old treasurer's workshop, all you need to do in order to be receiving funding is register with the LSC as well as watch this video. So this year, we've changed from using that old SOS system to the new and streamlined Garnet Gate form. The treasurer and the president of your organization will be able to request funds for your event, competition, or conference through this portal. You can find the form on your computer by going to your organization's page on Garnet Gate. After that, hit the organization menu on the left side, then the button at the bottom, the Finance tab, will prompt a screen showcasing all the requests you've made. Hit Create Funding Request, then you will be good to go. Make sure you fill out this form in its entirety to give the Senate Finance Committee all the necessary information for a budget dialogue meeting. Don't forget, if you have any questions, comptrollers are your best resource for getting all your questions answered. Once you complete the form, make sure you use the link at the bottom to sign up for a budget dialogue time. To ensure you have the best opportunity to receive full funding, review the student government codes and the Finance Committee guidelines hyperlinked at the bottom of the form. If you guys have any questions on how to do any steps in this process, reach out to your comptroller or myself and we'd love to help you in any way possible. We're looking forward for all of the great initiatives that you guys are able to fund this year. Go Gamecocks!